Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of investing for 2025, today's video is a must-watch. We're breaking down Fidelity Go, Fidelity's robo-advisor platform, and I'll cover its pros and cons to help you decide if it's right for you. Let's jump right in. First, what exactly is Fidelity Go? It's an automated investment service that creates and manages a personalized portfolio based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Think of it as a hands-off way to invest, using low-cost ETFs to build diversified holdings. It's perfect for beginners or anyone wanting to simplify their finances in the fast-paced market of 2025. Now, let's talk about the pros. One of the biggest advantages is the cost. Fidelity Go has no advisory fees for accounts under $25,000, which makes it super affordable compared to traditional financial advisors. It's also incredibly user-friendly, with an intuitive app and website that lets you set up an account in minutes. You'll get access to Fidelity's vast resources, like educational tools, research, and 24/7 customer support, which can help you make smarter decisions. Plus, it offers automatic rebalancing and tax loss harvesting to optimize your returns. But, as with any service, there are cons to consider. Fidelity Go has limited investment options. It's mostly focused on ETFs, so if you're an advanced investor who wants to trade individual stocks or bonds, you might feel restricted. Another downside is that while base fees are low, the underlying funds could have expenses that add up over time. Additionally, as a robo-advisor, it relies on algorithms, so it might not provide the personalized advice you'd get from a human advisor, and of course, all investments carry market risks. In conclusion, Fidelity Go is a solid choice for 2025 if you're looking for an easy, low-cost way to start investing, especially as a beginner. However, weigh the pros and cons based on your experience level and needs. If you have questions or want more reviews, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching.